What's up guys, it's your girl Makayla. And today I am here with another video. It's going to be unboxing my ColourPop box. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of stuff from ColourPop on Tuesday and I got my order confirmation email on Wednesday. And it said it would take 3 to 5 business days to arrive at my house, and that was on Wednesday, and it's Friday now, so it only took 2 days. So I'm very pleased with their customer service. I'm just going to be unboxing it, showing you guys the colors and what I got. ColourPop. The Paisley eyeshadow. Oh, this looks really dark. I got Paradise Cove bronzer. I got the Churro highlighter. I honestly fell in love with this color right when I saw it. The Easy Peasy sculpting stick. That's the color of it. It's a really nice color, guys. Queen, K-W-E-E-N, ultra metallic lip stuff. It has like a goldish sparkle in it. We have Zebra ultra metallic 3-way. The first one is Notion. This one is Times Square. This color is Wild Nothing.
Okay, so just for your guys' information, I don't know about other people with ColourPop. Oh, God, my teeth too. You have to like scrape it off. I'm using my nail. This, and I'm going like this, using my nail and just scrubbing it off.
Man Eater. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is the ultra metallic one. Okay, so I got 4 ultra metallic ones. The last but not least matte lips I got was Beeper. This is the color of Beeper. I actually like this color the best. It's better than all the other ones. So yeah. I almost forgot to read the card. I am thankful for my Labradoodle puppy, glitter emojis, and jazz hands. XOXO Mia, age 10. How cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was a little disappointed with the Notion because it stained my lips and my skin. But other than that, I really like all the colors, and I like the eyeshadow, and the highlighter, and the bronzer. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you liked it. If you didn't, oh well, I don't care. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment new video ideas, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you, bye.